the way I've understood, and actually I was just talking with a state trooper a couple of days ago, and he was saying that the right of way, I was talking specifically about road hunting and stuff like that with him from more of the hunter education type scenario. And the way he defined it was road hunting is, you can't, according to him, you're not even allowed to have one chambered when you're on the right of way. And according to his definition, the right of way is back to the telephone pole, which is the opposite side, clear on the other side of the ditch. Now, whether that stands up in court, I don't know, but that was kind of his definition. When he cites somebody, if he really wanted to push it, now I don't know if they're gonna push it, but if the guy really wanted to push it, he might be able to say, you know what, you were on the right of way. But I'm kind of like him. I think he makes a good argument for, it's your property, clear out to the roadway. You mow the grass, clear to the roadway. Squatters, I don't know if squatters laws and stuff apply here in North Carolina like they did in the Midwest, but in the Midwest, if you were actually mowing the grass on a particular piece of property for a period of like 5 or 10 years or something, in the state of Kansas, you now own that property. It was like 10 years.
We call it adverse possession, and it's
Okay.
the concept's the same, but the criteria is a lot different here. I'll just put it that way. But the scenario with a highway patrolman and road hunters is to me I hear you about that's a great. Well, and they're also enforcing a different rule. I mean, they're not saying you can't possess the gun. They're not saying you can't protect yourself. What they're saying is you don't get to shoot deer from the side of the blacktop, from the right of way, and that's obviously that's for public safety too. Right. I mean, so I would that's probably a reasonable rule of thumb for him to use, because who knows where the right of way is on any given road? You really don't know. But that's a great way for him to explain it to a hunter. Right. Hey, look, you get on the other side of that telephone pole now, I'm not going to bother you, but if you're over here by your truck on the edge of the road, I'm taking you down. So.
Right. Right of way is complicated. We used to put them in intersections for electrical company for the state.
We close at 9, it's like almost 9:30.
Yeah.
I've been ready to go.